Hello everybody. Today I'm going to do a fan swap. This one here is going to go into this one's position, and I think I'm going to get the other 22297 and put it in that other one's place. That one right there I'm going to put in this position here. I'm not going to show taking them down and putting them back up. I'm just going to do it, and then we'll get a demonstration. This is a really good running fan. It's extra quiet for a 36-inch original. Just all around an excellent performer for what it is. It's a little while later, and I've got the fan swaps completed. I've got the two white ones installed right now. Let's get up on the ladder and take a closer look at it. Same glass I had on the previous fan, the 1980 that I had here. This one features the plastic switch housing and the plastic canopy, but it still has a cast iron motor housing, nice and solid. Here's a look at the data tag, 22303 from 1979. I restored this one last year, and it's such a good runner I decided to put it up in the permanent spot in the workshop. This one has the square bump outs on the blade irons. And there's the caution sticker. And there's the top of the motor with the oil port in view. Now, while I'm up here, I am going to do a startup sound. See if we can capture that. Got a nice startup sound. Now I want to set it up on the tripod and we'll give this a demonstration. Here's the light. We'll start it out on low. And notice it's pretty quiet for a 36-inch original. And I can feel air over here when it's on low. Now we'll go to medium. Now let's go to high. And this one cranks out some air for a 36-inch original. None of my other ones fly like this. And let's do spin down. And it also has a respectable spin down time. Here's the other fan rearranged in my workshop. This is the 1982 R&M 22297 original, 36-inch original. So look at the data tag on this one. And it's got a brown down rod, that's all I had. But that's alright. I went ahead and put the pecan and bright brass blades on this one, so it would go with my 22303. Here's a look at both of them. It's a pretty sweet looking installation. I'm going to set the tripod up and we'll do a demonstration of this one. Let's start it out on low. And you'll notice this one is louder than the one that I have in the main area of the workshop. Here is low. I haven't balanced this one yet. Let's go to medium. Now let's go to high. And that's your typical performance out of a 36-inch R&M Hunter original. Not meant for a large room, it's meant for a small room like this. And it moves plenty of air. Let's do a spin down. Here's the 79, and here's the 82. 79 goes quite a bit faster. And they've all been gone through. This one's just an exceptional example. It's a good model right there. Thank you for watching.